Every entrepreneur who walked into Shark Tank had one problem. That wasn't their idea. It was that they couldn't build it fast enough, couldn't show it, couldn't prove it. Flute fixed that. Meet Flute, backed by Y Combinator, the easiest way to build real websites and apps. No coding, no developer, no idea what a tech stack even means. Doesn't matter. Just describe what you want and Flute builds it. Chat to build. Describe your app, watch it come to life. Draw your changes, point at what you want moved, changed and fixed. Auto fix error. Flute detects bugs and resolve them before you even notice. And it comes with everything built in. Database, backend, hosting, payments, user login, analytics. One platform, zero extra services, zero confusion. Here's what nobody tells you about other AI app builders. They are just developers tool with AI slapped on top. Tools built for engineers, not for you. You start excited, you build something, then you hit an error, you don't understand, you Google it, you prompt it, you try again, and eventually you quit. Flute was built differently, from the ground up for AI, for non-coders, a custom framework that tells AI exactly how to write code, a full stack that Flute controls at every layer, error caught and fixed automatically before you see them. You describe it, Flute builds it. You own 100% of it. The code, the data, the IP. No expectations. But here's where it gets powerful. Flute doesn't build your app. It launches it. One-click hosting on AWS, your own domain, accept payments, real human support. This is what makes Flute different. Flute built everything from scratch for the person with the idea, not the person who writes the code. Serious apps, not just prototypes. Everything in one place, not 5 different services. Smart enough to fix itself, not leave you stuck. But here is the big question. Flute is competing with Bolt, Lovable, Replit and Cursor, platforms with millions of users and massive funding. Can Flute win against giants who already owns the market? And as AI gets smarter, will the gap between Flute and just prompting ChatGPT disappear? Is Flute building a mood or a movement? And here's who's behind it. Edward, staff engineer from AWS, built infrastructure at scale. Yujan, staff engineer from Retool. 2 engineers who know exactly why non-coders fail to build. So now the real question is Flute just another app builder or the movement? When building software finally become a skill anyone could have. Because if this works, the next $1 billion app won't be built by a developer. It will be built by someone who just had a great idea.